This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Summer Munyon. Modern ranch home west/1 acre of privacy and detached workshop/garage. Spacious, open floor plan perfect for entertaining. The updated kitchen boasts 4-seat island with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and on-trend fixtures. Durable LVP flooring throughout and neutral paint west/muted brass lights complete the polished ambience. Oversized bedrooms, walk-in closets west/organization units and updated baths offer room for everyone. There's an oversized side entry 2-car garage plus a detached 28 by 28 garage west/heat/air, electric, and loft for extra storage. It's perfect for a hobbyist or boat/RV storage. No neighborhood restrictions with peace and quiet. For more